Do you feel there is a pattern that you're currently experiencing in your life which doesn't seem to be going away? Perhaps you feel you're stuck in that situation and you keep getting stuck into similar situations again and again. You may have also heard of the term ancestral curse. You may have heard of people saying that probably this pattern has to do with your ancestors. In fact, we all know that in the Hindu Dharma, a period of 16 days is observed as days dedicated to ancestral worship. In fact, ancestors are a very important part of our lives even today. Let me explain this with the help of a question. How many of us watching this video? You are probably watching this video on your own, or maybe there is another family member or friend with you. But to tell you the truth, there are billions of us right now, this very moment. Why? Because we are all connected. So even though you're in a room with only two people, you're not two people. There are billions and billions of people because we have all come with our family, relatives, and ancestors. Our ancestors, in fact, are sitting right there at the base of our spine. So whenever a person experiences problems which are repetitive in nature, keep having an issue of debt in your family or in your life, keep having failed relationships, if you're constantly battling health issues, chances are that it may have to do with your ancestors. Maybe some of your ancestors are currently not happy, they are not free, they are not settled. So you see, this whole concept of ancestral worship, ancestral praying, and ensuring that your ancestors are free and happy is this, that because your ancestors are with you in form of energy, they will want to ensure that through you they gain their freedom. And so any kind of problem that is repetitive in nature doesn't seem to be going away. Chances are that your ancestors are calling out to you for help. And because they are not free, they will make sure that you get their attention. So ancestors are not just those that have given us our blood, our family, our name, but they have sacrificed a lot for us. So not only is it important for you to express gratitude to them for your body, for your family, for your life today, it is also important that you do some cleaning for them. Why? Because if they are not happy, you will not be happy, and even your future generations will not be happy. So to make sure that your ancestors are with you and that they attain ultimately the liberation that they are seeking, you and I can do something on a daily basis. So of course, the 16 days period that is observed generally every year in the month of September, what you can do is during this period, you can of course indulge in activities like donating something in their name. You can make sure that you can feed the poor or give something to someone in need in their name. You can even light a diya for them on a daily basis, praying for their liberation. And the most important thing that you can do all year through, that is cleaning and correcting your own energy by thinking of them. You see, the concept of Ho'oponopono, this Hawaiian healing system, is that we are only as good as our energy. And our energy is infused with memories of the past that includes memories of our family, relatives, and ancestors. So one way you can take responsibility for any problem you're currently having in your life is to connect with your subconscious mind and to seek forgiveness from this part of you that is battling with problems that perhaps you have brought into it. For example, let's say today you have a problem in the money area. You have a lot of debt to overcome. Your family is suffering in the bargain. What you can do is you can make sure that you take this up with your inner child, your subconscious mind. The Ho'oponopono process guides us to do that. One of the ways to do that is to simply close your eyes, connect with your subconscious mind, and seek forgiveness and to take responsibility by saying, I'm sorry for whatever is in me that may have created this issue. Whether this issue is of debt, whether it's the issue of money not staying with you, money not coming to you. Then go ahead and take responsibility for your ancestors by saying, please forgive me, my family, relatives, and ancestors for contributing to this problem, either knowingly or unknowingly. We don't know whether they were aware or not aware. But if a problem is there in the family, Let's say it's a problem that you have that doesn't seem to be going away. Somewhere its roots are also there in the energy of people who came before you, past generations in the family. And your future generations that are about to come will also be affected by it. So you're not just cleaning for the ancestors to be free, you're cleaning for yourself and your future generations through this practice. I'm sorry for whatever is in me that has created this. Please forgive me, my family, relatives, and ancestors for creating it knowingly or unknowingly. Thank you, my dear inner child, for resolving this for me. What are we trying to resolve? Feelings within us. These memories within us that are contributing to this problem. So when you say thank you for resolving this for me, you're letting your inner child know that we can let go of these patterns, these feelings that are stuck within us, that continue to replay problems in our lives. I love you unconditionally for everything. You see, every time you use these cleaning phrases and you talk to your inner child begins to take notice of the feelings that are contributing to these problems in your life. As your feelings begin to get released, as the divine picks up these feelings, neutralizes them, purifies them, and sends them out of your system, there itself some new fresh divine energy comes in. And when this divine energy comes in, it comes in with a lot of blessings for your family and your ancestors. So if you feel you want to pray for deceased members in your family, those who have passed away, then you can simply think of them and say, please forgive me and my family, relatives, and ancestors. That is one way Ho'oponopono encourages us to take responsibility for any problem by connecting with the energy of our ancestors as well. Another way that we can do something for our ancestors through energy cleansing is to pray to the divine. Ho'oponopono encourages us to take this up with the divine directly. Divine creator, or if you think of the divine as just the universal energy, that is also absolutely fine. Whatever name of the higher power resonates with you, that you should use. Dear divine creator, universal energy, whatever is being experienced by us in this life today, be it problems in the money, relationship, or the health area, I offer them to you. I give them all to you. Please cleanse, heal, release whatever needs to be released from my energy, from the energy of my family, relatives, and ancestors. I pray that if me or my ancestors have committed any errors in thoughts, words, or actions, you grant us forgiveness today. May today be this day that you cleanse us of all our past karmas, bringing joy, happiness, well-being, and freedom to me and my ancestors. My ancestors are looking for your guidance, your healing, and your love. Today, I pray to you that whatever corrections are required in our consciousness, they be done so that my ancestors and I can ultimately realize the truth, which is we are all one. We are all loving light and energy. Come from you, ultimately to merge in you. You see, as you say this prayer and use these words, automatically you feel a sense of responsibility. You feel a sense of love. You'll also feel a sense of lightness for your ancestors. As you say, please ensure all these negative memories, energies, vibrations are cleansed and merged in your divine light. You automatically feel a sense of lightness. Your subconscious mind begins to respond more and more to the cleansing of your energies. Why? Because as you remind every part of your consciousness, including your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, that we have the energy of ancestors within us, automatically subconscious mind also begins to take note of these memories that are coming to us from our family, relatives, and ancestors. So as you do this on a daily basis, you will notice that these patterns, these memories will not bother you. How do I know if it's working? How do I know if my ancestors are gaining from this prayer? Very simple. Every word is energy. So when you pray, this prayer is nothing but you sending this divine energy out to your ancestors. And as far as the divine is concerned, the divine is always loving, always giving, always willing to shower grace, love, joy, and healing. So all you have to do is do this prayer with faith. In fact, the whole Ho'oponopono cleansing system is based on this faith that your job is only to connect with your subconscious mind. Your job is to connect with the divine and surrender your memories, surrender all negativity, rest. The purification of your energy, the cleansing of your energy and vibration is going to be done by the divine. You don't have to worry about it. You just have to commit to constantly release negative thoughts, energies, and vibrations. So, this beautiful prayer with respect to your ancestors is something that can be used not just in the 16 days dedicated to ancestors, but every single day of your life. You can light a diya in the name of your ancestors and do this prayer. Ancestors will give you a lot of blessings, and you will feel and experience their blessings in every area of your life. In fact, even if there is a family member currently not well, make sure you can say this prayer in the name of the family member, that whatever wrong has been done by you or that family member, it all be released and merged in divine light and healing. Let me know how this prayer and how the Ho'oponopono cleaning phrases are working for you. Lots more on Ho'oponopono coming up on this channel. Stay connected with me, sending you lots of love, joy, and healing. Namaste.